Very disappointed. First half, yes, Bantu played very well first half, and we came back second half. Yes, we missed some chances which were supposed to be goals. Yes, still disappointed. This is our fourth game losing. We hope to go back and correct the mistakes, worrying us or the technical team. What is going wrong? It's very worrying us. We are working so hard to rectify those mistakes and try to come back like what we did in the first round. We hope our next game, after correcting those mistakes, we hope to collect and positive results.